Hello everyone, welcome back to the VSM Bros. Today I have VIP for an hour from the spin wheel. So I'm going to be doing a quick opening for you guys here. We're going to just start off by spending the rest of my coins. First things first, we're going to do 2019 Crown Royale. So you can get 3 hits. This will be most of our coins right here. Here we go, Thaddeus Young. That's a pretty cool card. Damian Lillard, Knights of the Round Table. Wow. That's really nice. Cool card there. Jordan Poole, Rookie Royalty. We're still waiting on one more hit. That's a cool one. Damian Lillard. Maybe we only get 2 hits. CJ McCollum. Buddy Held. Chris Middleton. Oh, nice, and a Quinndary Weatherspoon RPA. Wow, look at that card. Sweet, cool, 3 hits, nice stuff. Next up, we'll do a quick pack of Mosaic. See what we can get. PJ Washington rookie, nice. Old school Amari Stoudemire, cool. Ooh, PJ Washington auto, nice. Fast break, cool. That's really sweet. Oh, a Bill Walton super rare auto. 2 in the pack. Wow. That's awesome. That is awesome. Sweet. Steph Curry MVP is very nice. Kenrick Williams. Thomas Satoransky. OG Anunoby. Spencer Dinwiddie and Thomas Bryant. Nice. And then down to our final little bit of coins left. We'll do pack of threads. From 2018 to 2019. Hamidou Diallo, got a lot of him. That's pretty good. John Collins, cool. Nice John Collins auto, sweet. JJ Redick, Andre Drummond, Jarrett Allen, and an Anthony Davis, nice. All right. Well, that was a really good pack opening. VIP stuff, man, that's the way to go. When you have VIP, definitely that's when you should spend your coins. Got some cool stuff, super rare Bill Walton. Nice RPA Quinndary Weatherspoon. Yeah, that was some awesome stuff. Damian Lillard hit. So I hope you enjoyed this basketball video, and I really sure enjoyed making it, and I can't wait for more videos with you guys soon. Bye!